Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am giving you a look at the winter slash fall slash winter Deck of Scarlet palette. They sent me this and it was so nice of them, so thank you guys. This is so amazing for the holidays. So I thought I would hop on here, glam up my face. If you're bored, you need a break from shopping online, I thought that it would be fun to watch me. So grab something to drink and make yourself comfortable, and I am just going to dive in. Okay, so Deck of Scarlet, I have done, I think, a couple palettes here on my channel. If you are new to them, they are a subscription service of palettes. So I think there is one a season, and you can purchase a year subscription. You can purchase it, you know, one at a time. It's up to you. I would definitely check them out right now because usually they have a sign up discount. So it's like your first time checking out their website, you can sign up for, you know, 25% off, 30% off. So the fun thing about this month's or this season's is, one, it's beautiful. It has some very rich hues. Like, hi, this is gonna be interesting because these are actually eye and face shades. These are face shades, right? But knowing me, I'll be using these on my eyes. This is onyx, this is black. So that'll be a great, just like little accent color. We got some glitter, we got some limoncello, right? And then we have, these are lip colors, and I love that they separate them because I cannot stand when powder goes into cream products in a palette. So then, and sometimes they feature an eyeliner or a lip gloss, and this month it is glitter. So this glitter can be used on your eyes, it can be used as a liner, it can be used as just like a glitter, like a lid topper. You can do whatever you want with it. We know I like glitter, and there you go. I believe that this is Christina X collab. Let me check. So YouTubers, they will collaborate with Deck of Scarlet, and then they will come up with their version of what they want in their palette. So my dream one day would be to have a Deck of Scarlet Frugy palette. Okay, so let's get started. I've got pretty much everything on my face that's, you know, foundation, powder, bronzer, that kind of thing, because yeah, I wanted to get going. So I'm going to do a base shade. This is my Face FX, the Guys FX palette, and I've already done my kind of my contouring, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick transition shade all over my lid between the contour shade and the highlight shade. I'm going to use that right there. Comes with a mirror. They think of everything. This shade combination for you isn't your thing. I believe you can purchase past palettes. Obviously, you are not required to be stuck with anything you don't like. Now, you guys, I'm going in yellow. Oh, I should swatch these. I'm such a fool. Okay, so we've got Bad Behavior. That is a bronzer slash blush, or for darker skin tones, highlight. Moonstone, we just saw. Another blush color or eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, limoncello feels so good. Do you see that? Now, tan lines. Whoa! This is a cornucopia of beautiful autumnal shades, would you say? Now, let's do onyx. I'm a little scared because black always is like, yeah, that's good. That's good, people. Ooh, Metal Rose is pretty. That is so nice. That has a lot more pigment than I expected for a solid lipstick. I'm sometimes not into the solid ones because I always feel like they're just really hard to use. Koi is a beautiful nude shade. That's really pretty, nice and soft. Okay. I'm going to go in Limoncello. I'm using a pencil brush because, you know, I need detail. So I'm gonna just put it in the corner. I might reapply this, we shall see. Because if I feel like I lose some of it, I might come back. Because I'm kind of a blending, you know, I'm blending obsessed. So if I lose some impact because I blended over it. Wow, so I have said this before about shadows, especially shadows with any type of mica, any type of frost in them. You really need to go in two directions because the way the minerals lay can shift. So when you're not getting the impact you want from a shadow, go in another direction and then it might lay more where it picks up the light. I'm gonna go in Bad Behavior, which is that face shade, and I am putting it kind of all over the lid. I'm going to take a shader brush and I'm going to put it in the onyx. And I'm going to go along my lash line. Easy does it. Atta girl. I'm going in Bad Behavior, a little bit of Moonstone as well. And I'm going to go underneath. Let's add the bling. First, I'm going to put tan lines on with my finger right here. Kind of going over. I am going to take Bad Behavior with a very soft brush. Kind of a blush shade for me, but still maybe a smidgen dark. But that's why if I fan it out, I think it's good. Also, I think there's something kind of fun with having now for the glitter, you guys. I think I might just apply this straight from the bottle. I have done both. Sometimes I've used something like this with a separate brush, but I think it's you know. Oh God, so much fun. Okay. You want to put glitter on last because if you rub over it, even if it sets, you can get some chunks to fall out and, you know, like that's never fun. Okay. Kind of just pressing it where I put onyx. I have done some defining with bow and arrow from Kat Von D. So here's Koi. It's a little on the yellow side, so I think I'm going to mix the middle rose over it. Nice. And I will put some mascara on and I'll be right back. See, mascara is such a good friend, right? Woo, makes such a difference. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out at ya. I don't know why I said it that way. Okay, so my finished look using the entire deck of Scarlet set palette for this season. Love it. I know some of you maybe get a little scared of these colors, but I hope I showed you that they really aren't scary. You can do whatever you want with them. I kind of like wearing gold and yellow because I have green eyes and people always notice the gold in my eyes. Yellow actually looks amazing for blue eyes too because it's sort of an opposite shade, but honestly, just be fearless, play, and I will leave all the links below for Deck of Scarlet. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't yet, I really hope you do, and click that notifications bell so you can see when I upload next. And as a huge favor, feel free to share with your friends, share on other social media. Love the attention. It's so weird. But you know, always looking to increase that subscriber count. So thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye.